Fold the paper nice and slow. Watch the little boat now grow. Tony smiles with happy eyes. Crafting brings a fun surprise. Let's begin and go. Fold the wings both left and right. Paper airplane takes its flight. Tony throws it through the air, flying high without a care. What a joyful sight! Boat and plane and train so bright. Car and Teddy bring delight. Tony made them all today, learning through creative play. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. Paper train goes chug, 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 rolling over every rug. Tony builds each little part, using hands and using heart. Crafts deserve a hug. Paper car goes zoom, 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 driving through the classroom loom. Tony colors every side, taking a creative ride, making learning bloom. Little Teddy made of paper, cute and soft in every layer. Tony draws a smiling face, giving Teddy warm embrace. Crafting couldn't be fairer. Boat and plane and train so bright. Car and Teddy bring delight. Tony made them all today, learning through creative play. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. Boat is floating on the blue. Paper dreams are coming true. Tony watches with the ear, flying way up high. Paper train says chug along, rolling while we sing a song. Tony pushes with a grin, learning makes us strong. Paper car begins to race, rolling at a steady pace. Tony cheers it to the end. Crafting is his favorite friend, smiles on every face.